Good evening everyone. Myself Amogha Kulkarni from the 4th professional year Sanjeevani Ayurveda Medical College Hospital. Today we are going to deal with the concept of understanding of Guna Siddhanta in the concept of Dinacharya. So these are the contents. Okay. What is Guna? Guna, it is one of the Shatpadartha. Acharya Charaka in Sutra Sthana first chapter he tells that it is Ashrita in the Dravya, Ashrita Karma Gunaha, Karanam Samavaya in the Dravya. Means it is Ashrita in the Dravya and it is Nishcheshta. Okay? And Dinacharya. Dinacharya, it is the daily regimen which are need to be practiced for the Swastha Lakshanartha and Aturasya Roga Vashanartha also. Acharya Bhagavata in the Sutra Sthana second chapter, he explains this chapter. Now, the main concept of this lecture is to make the link between the gunas and the regimens of the Dinacharya. Guna. Samavaya Nishcheshta Karanam Guna. Here, Acharya Charaka quotes that the Padartha which is in Samavaya Sambandha with the karma and it is Ashrita in the Dravya, it is Nishcheshta. It does not do the karma but it will let the karma to do the karma. Okay? The classification of gunas, there are 41 gunas explained. Sartha gunas 5, Rupati gunas 20, Parate gunas 10, Adhyatma gunas 6. So these are the classifications. Dinacharya. Pratidinam kartavyam charya dinacharya. According to Ashtanga Sanghika. The daily regimens which are to be practiced daily for the maintenance of the swasthya of a swastha purusha is termed as Dinacharya. Dinacharya based on Guna Siddhanta. We'll go ahead with the Durvata gunas. Tikshna, Ushna, Ladhu, Ruksha, Sthira. Action of these gunas in the following regimens. Gandhadava. Acharya mentions Katutikta Kashaya Rasas. The main advantage is it removes the Dipputa of the Mala in the Mukha, Audandhyahara, Laghavata in the Mukha, and proper assessment of the Shakrasas. Anjana. Anjana, it gives the Netra Dradharva and it removes the Shleshvabhaya. It is Drushti Prasadakara also. And Acharya Sushruta quotes that it gives the Sahana Shakti from the Maruta and the Atapa. Udvartana. Udvartana is considered as Kapahara and Nigohara. It brings Tirtha Sharira and Balavartaka and Prasadakara and Kantikara. Acharya Sushruta mentions it as Vatahara also. Gam. Laghavata, it brings a Laghavata in the Sharira. It's Agni Dipana and Vayachaya also. And it takes Tiratva and Balavartaka. And main leads Amapachaka also. It does the Pachana of the Viruddhahara also. Snigdha Sthira Purush Laksha Shiva. The action of these gunas is in Shiro Abhyanga. It's Kesha Madhyavakara and Prasadana. It's best Vata also. It's Shiro Rogahara and Indriya Santarpana also. And then it removes the Raja Jantara and prevents Khalid and Palite. Pada Abhyanga. It has a 3-degree measures. In the first degree, it has action on the Pada. In the second degree, it treats the Anitra. In the third degree, it treats Rudhrasi and Drushti Prasadakara also. Karna, it's best Vatahara, best Chulahara, Karna Prasadakara and all the Karna Vavahara. It does not have action only in the Karna, it has action also in the Manu, Anya and Shivs. Best Vatahara also here. Abhyanga. Abhyanga is Charanasha, Shamahara, it gives Bala and Varna. It uses Nidra, again Prasadakara, Drushti Prasadakara, and it's again best Vatahara. Acharya Charaka quotes that the person who does a Nitya Abhyanga, he is free from the Vedana which he will get from the Abhigata. Shitaguna. In Shitaguna, Mukha Prakshana, we can come back. Acharya Sushruta types it to do with the Shitodaka. The benefits is the stimulation of the receptors of the CNS. Even Acharya Kashyapa quotes the same thing while explaining the Prana Pratyahara measures. And it does a Shanta of the Pidakas on the face, and Acharya Sushruta maybe considers it as an Upashaya and a Raktapitta Vyadhi. We'll go ahead with the Paratinas. Para, Paratvam, Pradhanatvam, Aparatvam, Apradhanatvam. Means Para which is Pradhana. Means doing Vyayama according to the Rutus and stopping of the Vyayama by obtaining the Lakshanas, Veda Paradina, Laka and the Kacha Pradesha is considered as Para. Avyayama and Ati Vyayama, it is considered as Apara because while doing Avyayama, there is Kapha in Meto Buddhi and there is a risk of Santarpana Janya Karnas. In the Ati Vyayama, there is again Vata Buddhi, Dhatukshaya is also, Shama Brahma, Lakshanas are also, and there is occurrence of Vatarpana Janya Karnas. Samyoga. Samyoga is the combination of the right dravyas. Here, Acharya Sushruta in Chikitsa Sthana 24th chapter explains about Tambula Sevana. He does a Samyoga of the churnas of Karpura, Jati, Katkola, Lubanga, Kataka, along with the Tambula Matra. You should take it as a Tambula Sevana. The benefits is Mukha Vishodhana, Saudhantika, Hanudanta Chitha, Indriya Vishodhana, Vasekaha, and the Dalaroga. It is a specification of a quality. Acharya Bhagavata in the Dinacharya Adhyaya specifies the drugs for the Dandadavana. Artha Nirdhoga Kadira Karanjaka Kubadika Pradhana Bhutta Chamuthandra Kashaya Katutikta. He specifies only Katutikta Kashaya rasas, and especially he will specify the drugs also. Artha Nirdhoga Kadira Karanjaka Kubha. Abhyasa. It is inculcating a practice in one's own life. So, while considering Dinacharya as itself an Abhyasa, which needs a great amount of benefits, that is, it is Swasthasya Rakshanartha also and Aturasya Roga Prashamana also. It not only involves a Sharirika Swasthya, but it involves a Manasika Swasthya also. And by making it a Abhyasa, we will get Sukhayu and Hitayu also. We will go ahead with the Sarthaka. Shabda. So I have compared it to the Brahmi Muhurta. At the time of the Brahma Muhurta, there is Sattva-guna Pradhanata due to the influence of Lord Brahma. Here, at that time, hearing the pleasant sounds will yield Indriya Prasadakara to the Shrotrendriya, and the Gnana learned at that Kala will remain forever in the Smriti and cannot be forgotten easily. Adhyatma, Sukha and Dharma. By following Dinacharya, one can attain Sukha and Dharma. So, by this, he will get a good ayu. When he has a good ayu, he will be able to attain all the Chaturveda Phala Purusharthas, Karma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. By observing the following regiments, there is balanced state of Tridoshas, okay? And it not only involves the Sharirika Swasthya, but also involves the Manasika Swasthya also. Coming to the conclusion, the aim of Ayurveda states that Swasthasya Swasthya Rakshanam Aturasya Vigara Prashanam. Dinacharya proves it is applicable for both Swastha Purusha and Atura Purusha also. Narayanam Namaskritya Naranchaiva Viduttam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tito Jayam. Thank you.